Alex always trusted his notes, but lately, someone kept telling him, "You're wrong."
Are you sure that happened yesterday? I don't remember it.
But I wrote it down. It was at 5 p.m.
No way. You always get things wrong.
This was the start of gaslighting, twisting reality to control someone's mind.
Maybe I really am mistaken. Maybe my memory is broken.
Gaslighting creates self-doubt, making the victim question their own reality.
Alex always gets things wrong.
When others stay silent, the victim feels even more isolated.
I feel like I'm losing my grip on reality.
No, you're right. I saw it too. Trust your notes. Trust yourself.
Supportive friends and keeping evidence are powerful defenses against manipulation. Gaslighting can make you doubt your reality, but your notes, your evidence, and your self-trust are your shield. Remember, awareness and self-trust are your strongest defense against gaslighting.